Tayo po ay nagkakatipon ngayon sa harap ng ating Panginoon Diyos upang pagbukturin sina kapatid na Mark at kapatid na Daneva sa pamamagitan ng banal na pagkakasal. Na sa pagkakasal ay pinapagsasama ng Diyos ang lalaki at babae upang maging isang laman lamang sa paningin ng may kapal. Dahil dito'y iiwan ng lalaki ang kanyang ama at ina at makikisama sa kanyang asawa. At ang dalawa ay magiging isang laman, kaya hindi na sila dalawa kundi isang laman. Ang pinapagsama nga ng Diyos ay huwag papaghiwalayin ng tao.
Ay, para sa inyo. Diba? Ang ganda ng balot. Parang may pa-ribbon ako. At first, hesitant ako dahil feeling ko di pa kita kilala. Pero as the time goes by, alam ng ama kung sino ang aking pinagpapanata na laging nandyan na sumusuporta.
Today, surrounded by all our loved ones, I choose you to be my wife. You're everything that I ever dreamed of and everything that I will ever need.
The first time I saw you, my heart whispered, "He is the one." My heart was so right. There's no doubt in my heart that you're my person and I can't wait to spend the rest of my life with you.
Your love gives me hope. Your smile gives me joy. You make me a better man. You are God's answer to my prayers.
In every other life, I'll be yours. Everything inside out. Listen to your heartbeat. I'm waking to the sound. We got second chances to make the most of it. I can see that our new love was an open door. You and I taking off this time. I wanna go back, but love was an open door. Oh, you know, we're stronger than before. And I can remember our new love was an open door.
I will make you happy in every single day in my own special way and promise to love you day by day. I promise to protect you from harm and to stand with you against your troubles. I promise to be faithful to you. From today onward, you and I will be in one heart, body and mind.
Our new love was an open door. You and I taking off this time. I wanna go back, but love was an open door. Oh,
I thought today would be the best day of my life, but the thought of spending the rest of my days with you makes me believe the best. Can't wait to have our little Max and little dance. Dream with me, hold me, never let me go, and I will be your loving wife forevermore. I love you.